Hi, my name is Zina. My strong is plus CS120. I'm going to explain database system lab exercise 8. And now I'm going to explain procedures and function. Here to execute the procedures and function, there I have declaration part, that is I'm going to use a keyword as declare, and I'm going to use the types, cursors, constants, exceptions, and nested programs. Nested is connecting all other programs. These items are local subprograms, and I'm going to have executable part and exceptional handling. And I'm going to create the table course, and I'm going to insert these values here, insert the values for these things, and I'm going to create fees paid, and these are the insertion values that I'm going to insert in fees paid. And the third table that I'm going to create is inquiry, and I'm going to insert the values, and the fourth is enrollment, create the table enrollment, and these are numbers that I'm going to include in these things. And the first question is write a SQL statement to fetch the salary of the employee Anil and calculate the grade according to its value. If the salary is less than 1000, print the grade as A. If the salary is less than 2000, print the grade as B. If the salary is less than 3000, print the grade as C. If the salary is less than 4000, print the grade as D. This is my question. This is the first query that I've given here. That is PHP program is successfully completed. After everything, create or replace the function, and total return number is S number 5 begin. Select the sum amount into X from fees paid and return X end, and the function is created, and the output is line total amount to be paid total, and the total amount paid is 80100. And the second query that I'm going to do is, and this is the output for the function that I've given, and the second is write a procedure, write a procedural calculation for to calculate the course name corresponding to the course code. For that, I'm going to begin with create or replace the function X in the number and set on and begin with the total amount, and student paid in number y out of number, return number is begin. If X is lesser than 1004, then else the fees paid while roll number, else DBMS output put line student is not in record, else if return by end. And the function, and the second function is being created. And the third one is display the course name by considering the exception if the given course code is not found. The raise in an exception that course name is not available. For that, I'm gonna show you the next one. That is so set the server output on declare, and the x number 10, y declare 225 exception, and I'm going to start with begin, and x is equal to enter the course code. If x is equal to 10, then select course name into y from course, while the course code is equal to x dbms output put line course name, and I will slash y, else if x is equal to 20, then select course name into y from the course where course code is equal to x, which I'm declaring here, and dbms output put line, and else raise exe, and if exception when, then dbms output line course name is not found, and and that is the old value that I've got, and there's a new 6x is equal to 30. which is not found. The course name is not found. And for the fourth one, write the function to calculate the total collected. For that, create or replace the function student fees and server output. Here the server on begin DBMS line, and this is a total output that I've got. Total amount to be paid, total end, and the total amount of paid is 8010. The fifth one is display the number of inquiries for a specified advertisement code. For that, I'm going to display create and replace the function, and as the total fees that I've created, that is begin DBMS and put line. Total amount to be paid is this and end. The sixth one is write a function to calculate the total fees paid by the particular student. That is create or replace the function student fees x in number y and y out of number line, and is begin is a code that I'm going to give. Else select the number into y for the fees paid, roll number x, else outline student not in a record, end if return y, end, and the function is being created. And after finishing everything for each query, I'm going to use end and begin to begin, end to end. Thank you.